Okay, this is a very important video. It's the Taylor Lautner versus Justin Bieber. Okay, so we're going to be doing this with papers because I have them all written down. So let's pretend I did not just tell you all that. Introducing Miss Pinky 8. Me. Ooh, look at those guns. Just kidding. Okay. As I said before, this is the Bieber versus Lautner video. Okay, so let's start with Justin Bieber. Just pretend that's a dot. Question mark. Is it going to be Justin Bieber? Well, let's see. Stuff about Justin Bieber. He loves blue. My World, his first CD. His second CD, My World 2.0. Third CD, Somebody to Love. And he was on True Jackson, BP. And he's hot. Okay. Okay, now Taylor Lautner. Taylor Lautner. Anyways, so he loves baby blue. His favorite color ever. He was born on February 11th. He's going to be in Twilight, The New Moon, Eclipse, and Breaking Dawn. He was in Shark Boy and Lava Girl. And he's totally 100% hot. Now, for another question. What's better? Taylor Lautner's abs, which are abtastic, or Justin Bieber's hair flip? Okay.
I'm her little sister, and I
are ruining the video. Anyways, vote. And subscribe to me, Miss Pinky 8. And last but not least, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Gotta turn this off. Oh, I found it. Okay, now really. Thanks for watching.